Hello everyone, Applebuff here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to unbox 1 out of 2 mystery packages which I received earlier this week. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the video and check it out. So this is a package from a really cool wallet making company called Andor, and they have sent me a phone case which I, to be honest, can't wait to unbox. But before I begin with today's video, I would like to give a huge shout out to the company and their team for making this shipment possible. In terms of packaging, I would call it a really simple and pretty straightforward packaging, with the name of the product being easily visible on the top. So the box over here says the Marshall, which basically is the case lineup, which is made up of real leather that is available for both Samsung phones and iPhones. Plus, before I forget, I would like to mention the fact that the link to this site is in the description down below for you to check it out. And when you flip the box, it shows the name of the phone for which you bought this case. Like, I selected this case to rock it on my iPhone XR, and the color of the case is brown and camel tan. So as soon as you open the box, you will be impressed by the way they get your case. It's like a cloth bag with the name of the company in the front, which, to be honest, is really beyond expectation. In the bag is the case, so let me just silence myself as it is a satisfying moment. Okay, so my initial impressions for the Marshall would be, it's simple, minimal, and the best leather case that I would have either owned or used. Plus, some of the best things about the case are: number 1, the unique two-tone colors of the case makes it stand out from the crowd. Number 2, since it's made up of premium full-grain leather, it not only feels soft but also fits properly around the phone without adding extra bulk. Last but not the least, in terms of fitting, the Marshall fits properly around the phone, with buttons being properly pressable and responsive. So overall, at a price of $45, it is absolutely more than what you expect or can ask for. Like I said before, it's just perfect. So with that being said, this is Applebuff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.